Here's another scenario for using a Lambda function. So we have our list of items. Let's say we want to filter this list and only get the items with price greater than or equal to $10. Again, one basic way is to define an empty list, like filtered. Then we iterate over our list of items. For each item, we get the price. If it matches our criteria, we'll add it to this list. But that's pretty basic. A better approach is to use the built-in filter function. Look at the parameters. This function, just like the map function, takes two parameters, a function and an iterable. So it will apply this function on each item of this iterable. If the item matches some criteria, it will return it. So let's see how we can use this function. As the first argument, we're going to pass a Lambda function. This function takes an item and returns a Boolean value that determines if this item matches a criteria or not. In this case, we want to get the price of each item and see if it's greater than or equal to $10. So the result of this expression is a Boolean value. If it's true, this item will be returned. Now, as the second argument to the filter function, we pass our items list. Let's temporarily store the result in a variable called x and print it. So we get a filter object. A filter object, just like a map object, is iterable, so we can loop over it, and we can also convert it to a list right away. So let's call list. Now we get a filtered list that we can print on the terminal. So as you can see, we only have product 1 and 3 because their prices are greater than $10.